This video shows how maintaining stable fluid dynamics inside the eye is key during segment removal. Observe this small segment that tends to go towards the paracentesis, and this is because the second instrument is squeezing fluid from inside the anterior chamber, and this will drag this segment towards the paracentesis. That is why I always recommend to remove your chopper or second instrument from inside the eye during the segment removal. I will use it inside the eye only when I need to use it, as here, rotating the lens, or when I want to chop the lens in small fragments, as you can observe in this example. As soon as I have finished using the second instrument, I remove it from the eye, and this favors that the segments that I want to remove will be dragged towards the phaco tip in a more stable way, and these will also maintain the posterior capsule away from the phaco tip.